on today's episode of MotoCheez.
Are you ready, kids?
The following movie is rated
I.
So what's up, guys? I found something on this carburetor that I found pretty interesting, and it baffled me in the beginning, but I think I figured it out. Matter of fact, I'm positive I figured it out. I did make this makeshift primer, and then of course the one that I ordered come in. See, I had to burn a hole in there, then I put a connector in there. Well, it looks like the vent of the carburetor, and it actually is the vent of the carburetor. I don't know if you remember the video when I had that capped off and I was trying to prime this carburetor with the bulb, squeezing it, and all it was doing was pouring gas out of this. It just pouring out. So I'm like, well, that's got to be a vent. I finally figured out. Previous owner of this engine actually told me the same thing, that he had to remove that for it to work properly. So it's the vent. Okay, I get it. But most primers have a T, and then you T into the fuel line, so it would suck out a fuel line and pump it into the carburetor. But what they did was they used the vent tube, and of course you have to have a hole because it has to vent all the time, and it has to have a pretty good vent because when you're filling that up with the, with the primer bulb, fuel's pushing in there fast. If that's blocked off, it goes into the engine or out of the choke side. What happens when you prime this is you block this off, it forces air into the carburetor through the vent. This bowl is full of fuel. What it does is it pushes air into the vent, which is totally sealed, that bowl, and it pushes air pressure down, which forces it through the main jet and comes out of the carburetor. It's a pretty smart idea, and it's a pretty dumb idea at the same time. The right primer bulb did come in. I don't know what the heck this is, and apparently it's broken. Unless that's supposed to stay like that. I don't know, it took like weeks to get it because Amazon didn't have it, eBay did. I guess that won't interfere with it. Pretty neat. I just wanted to explain that. You cannot block this off if you have this type of primer system on your boat. So let's put the right one on. Try this motor out, see how good it goes. So I found a grommet, rubber grommet, and I cut the one ear off of it. It fit over that perfect. Of course, that washer to hold everything together. And the nut. Hold it right there. Then when I squeeze that on there, that should hold it. Why don't they give you the whole assembly? And that's the finished product. I don't have any fuel in the bowl. And it's nylon, this piece, I assume. So eventually it'll probably break that little nipple off, or this will dry rot, which may be what happened to the original. If anybody has this, does it come, is that little ring supposed to be loose in there? And if so, what purpose does it serve?
What's up, MINITRUCK?
It's gonna be 96, let's go fishing. Motor rider's ready. Waters, let me grab some waters.
And that's what I call high quality H2O.
And my boat shoes. Ooh, it's gonna be 96 today. You need that. Got glasses if you want. You got blue eyes, you gotta protect them.
Grind them, grind them.
I love how people speed up when they're driving slow ass, and then someone goes around and they speed up.
Shook them up a little bit.
30 miles an hour on a road that's 40 that everybody does almost 50 is a little bit ridiculous. Did you get your air horns put in yet?
No, I didn't put them in.
Ah, you're away working all the time.
And slacking.
And slacking. Oh, 35, 38.
40.
Woo, we touched 40. Back down to 30. Pretty soon we can take the pontoon boat out.
Oh yeah.
Up here and in Florida.
It's gonna be a blast.
Getting overgrown. Jeez. Short wheelbase, little tires. Jeez. It's like a brick sticking up there. Sorry, Minnie. Holy cow, this thing is tore up.
Hang on, Minnie.
Jesus. Hang on. Yeah, you're definitely not going to make this in a stock mini truck.
Nope.
With stock tires. Yeah, I got to use lockers going up because it's so articulated.
Yeah, mine would never make this.
You'd make it to that very, very top, and as long as you kept speed up, you'd make it. Whoops. Yeah, I'd say it definitely got worse.
That's rough.
Yeah.
Rough on a bike right now.
At least with a bike, you can kind of zigzag all through.
Yeah.
I still want to take Whitey through here. All this stuff got worse.
Yeah, divot. Tore right up.
Oh man, I got new ones, and guess what? I left them on my friggin' DRZ. A lot of rocks. Well, let's see if this thing runs.
May the Force be with you.
Man, there are a lot of rocks through here. Yep, she's running. We made it. A little faster than the other motor. Thing run good now, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Not bad. Even motor riders coming in the water. Woo, it's that hot.
May the Force be with you.
Running good now. I spoke too soon, huh?
Pretty fun boat stone too. Heard about right on the foot.
Oh, there's somebody over in that other cove. See him? Jet ski. Or the little secluded island. Peninsula, actually. They're having fun. He took your worm right off?
Ate it.
He showed you. Now you gotta dig for another worm. Oh, you put half a worm.
Who wants it? Who's hungry?
You got the big one. That's Poopy Island over there. Everybody craps on that island. And the one to the right's got a sandbar. You can't see it from here, but that one's all washed out.
May the Force be with us all.
There's that other rope swing on that island. It gets rough out there in the middle. It's such a big body of water. See it? It's like the ocean here, right? We'll hit the waves head on so we don't get so much. Want to fish the edge as we go back?
Don't matter.
Alright. She running good? May the Force be with us. I know you're hungry.
May the Force be with you.
Oh, 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 oh. Ah, you son of a... Come on, we gotta get one fish. Right there. Come on. Come on.
And may the Force be with you.
Oh, oh, you son of a...
May the Force be with you.
May the Force be with you.
good cast. Your lure scaring my fish away. Woo!
May the force be with you.
There's a big rock sticking out there. Is that a log? No, that's a rock. Oh, there's a mini truck.
It's clean. It's cold.
Mini's getting beat up. Definitely gonna lock the diff. Last time I made it all the way up till that very last rock. Well, I struggled. Differential lock. I knew that was going to be a rough one. Last one. Come on, Minnie. That's the spot I got. I didn't make it until I put my lockers. Now we'll she's a crawler. Good job, Minnie. A few of us went out the next day for about 3 or 4 hours. Motor started every time, ran great every time, so I think I trust it. Good times. Alright, Force, I trust you now.
The Force will be with you, always.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.